Hi guys, it's BellaGemaNails, and today I'm going to be showing you how to decorate this beautiful Birkin dupe. It is croc embossed, it is pink, and it is tiny. You can see how precious it is. It's very well made for as small as it is. I'm going to be showing you the pink sequence patch bag that I designed just so you see the difference in size. This bag doesn't even fit in the frame, but I'm going to show you the difference here. This one's like 7 inches. I don't know the diameters exactly. The one on the bottom is 35 centimeters. You could see how small it is, but we're going to design it elaborately. So if you want to learn how to make this, just keep on watching. So you're going to see the bag go from this to this. Okay guys, so this bag is actually a kid's bag, and previously I had read comments that said that they wanted to make some of the bags I've designed for their kids, some of you subscribers, and so the bags I design are usually for adults because they're large in size. However, these are so small that it'd be perfect for a little girl, although I don't design for children because there's small components that go on the bag and I don't want them to ingest them or have an accident. Kids tend to be careless, so that's why I don't design for kids, but hey, it's up to you if you want to go that route with it. But let me show you. This part is just for decorative purposes. It serves no use because the way you open the bag is just this way. It has Velcro. And I'm going to show you a quick selling point. I thought the furry inside is worth the cost of the bag. It is adorable. The bag itself was about $30. And look at this adorable keychain. And you can hang it on your keys, or you could actually use it as a purse dangle. And it is adorable. Now, I did purchase at one of my supply stores in downtown LA a cute little pink donkey, so I think I'm going to incorporate that as well. But you have options, and it comes with each one of the bags. I'm posting all the links below so you can take a look at all the color options. But just keep on watching if you want to learn how to embellish this bag. So I want to show you the difference in patches. Some of these were purchased on AliExpress, others Amazon. These two are from AliExpress, and this is acrylic. They're not real rhinestones, they're acrylic stones. These typically don't shine as much as the crystals, but they're still cute. You could see that. Now, these small ones are crystals, but these are all acrylic stones. Same thing with this patch here. This patch here actually has real crystals, and they sparkle so much more, especially when they catch the light. So I wanted to show you the differences. I'll post the links below so you could take a look at the patches yourself. So the inspiration for this bag is very similar to the bag I created previously, where I created a scenic mural with hummingbirds and floral accents. I'll post the links below so you can see the video, and I'll insert a photo so you can see what bag I'm talking about, but I wanted to make it in a miniature edition. Make sure that your hands are free and clear of any glue so that they don't get on the actual acrylic stones. Otherwise, you will ruin them. This patch here is so beautifully made. It's quite intricate for as small as it is. It has all these real crystals, and then just having this chain sewn on to the felt with this little added pearl is such a cute detail. And then the difference in patch leather. I believe this is actually leather, and the rings here with the pearl antennas is such a nice touch, and I thought it combined beautifully with the croc embossed bag. Kind of color coordinate. So yellow looks good with orange, so that's why I'm placing that there. And kind of place where the colors will pop most. These charms were purchased on Amazon. I'll post the links below, but the reason we're stacking them is so that you could see a little bit of the color underneath it. This is a spring bag, so we want to make sure we have a lot of color in this bag. Okay guys, so the next step is basically the same method as we did previously with the bigger flowers. These are smaller. We're going to be scattering them around, then placing a rhinestone in the center. So keep watching. Okay guys, so now that the bag has somewhat dried, we're going to be placing gems on the front strap. Now this strand was purchased at Beads Factory, and I'll post the link below to the location address on their website. These gems were $2.75. They are 18 millimeter in size. They are very faceted. They have an iridescence to them, so one side looks like a purple pink with a bit of a yellow hue, and the other side is green and yellow, so it has a lot of sparkle. And what I'm going to do is I am going to take them apart, and I'm going to be using the pink side to overlap them onto the strap, very much like my Disney handbag that I designed. So that's going to be decorative just for the front. So keep watching. Guys, before you start setting the stones on top of the strap, let the glue sit for a few minutes, maybe about 5 minutes or so, so that when you do put the gemstones, they adhere quickly. Okay guys, these are going to shift, so you're going to have to set them with tape. So put tape over them and let them dry. Stand up to kind of look at the crystals to see if they're lined up, because when you're sitting down, you can't clearly assess it. So the reason I added the stones here on the front strap is because this is only for aesthetic purposes. If you had to remove the straps to get into the purse every day, then this would not be practical. But since it opens from the middle and not the front, then you won't have a problem of the stones falling. So that's the reason I did it. Okay guys, now while this is drying, I'm going to be adding some of these embellishments to the front of the bag and just kind of throughout so that it can have some added sparkle. Okay guys, once you're done, just go ahead and let dry. Okay guys, so this is the finished product, and you could see how sparkly and how beautiful it turned out. It is busy, but it's very springtime. It is very colorful and it is very beautiful. It's also very unique because it's so small. You could see the size just by putting my hands over it. And of course, you don't have to do all that I did for this design, but I went all the way with the drama. I did want to put crystals here just to make it sparkle a little bit more. You could see I added the purse charm. I'm not sure if this is a sheep, a goat, a horse, I have no idea, but I did add it because it's so well made and it's so cute. So that's going to be hanging off the side. And I am going to be adding what I thought was a donkey, a pink donkey, but it turns out it is a rocking horse. Clearly, I don't know my animals. So I'm going to be adding that, and that is going to be the last touch. So if you like this bag, please make sure that you give it a big thumbs up or pop a comment below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.